Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss an important topic of literary criticism, archetypes of literature. Quote. The word archetype means a basic, original, or universal pattern. In literature, archetypes are the common symbols, characters, images, themes, and situations that appear again and again in stories, myths, and poems across different cultures and time periods. The concept of archetypes is mainly connected with the ideas often later developed in literary criticism by meaning of archetypes. According to Jung, human beings share a collective unconscious, which contains common memories and patterns that influence human imagination. For example, a hero fighting against evil, a wise old man giving guidance, a journey towards self-discovery, a battle between good and evil. These patterns are found in stories all over the world. Northrop Frye's theory of archetypes. In his famous essay, Archetypes of Literature, 1951, Northrop Frye explains that literature is not just a collection of individual works, it has a system of repeated patterns. He says that literature is connected with myths, symbols, and recurring images. Frye believes that archetypes help us understand the relationship between different literary works. Major types of archetypes. 1. The hero archetype. The hero is a central character who faces challenges and struggles. Examples. In the Harry Potter series, the hero represents courage, struggle, and human achievement. 2. The journey archetype. A journey often represents a person's growth and transformation. The physical journey becomes a symbol of an inner journey. Example. A character leaves home, faces difficulties, learns lessons, and returns as a changed person. 3. Light and darkness archetype. Light usually represents knowledge, hope, goodness. Darkness represents fear, evil, ignorance. This pattern appears in many religious and literary texts. 4. The mother figure. The mother archetype represents care, protection, love, creation. Nature is also often shown as a mother figure. 5. The wise old man. This character gives knowledge and guidance. Examples. A teacher, a mentor, a spiritual guide. This archetype represents wisdom and experience. Archetypes in literature. Archetypes can be found in many famous works. In The conflict between good and evil is an archetypal theme. In Shakespearean tragedies, the fall of a powerful person is a common archetypal pattern. In myths and epics, the hero's struggle appears repeatedly. Importance of archetypes. Archetypes are important because they help readers understand deeper meanings. They connect different cultures and literary works. They show common human experiences. They make literature universal. Conclusion. To conclude, archetypes are the repeated patterns, symbols, and characters found in literature. They show that although cultures are different, human emotions and experiences are often similar. Northrop Frye's theory of archetypes helps us study literature in a broader way by connecting myths, symbols, and literary traditions. Thank you for watching.